huge disclaimer, this is not meant to be like some type of tutorial. Your discretion is advised. Don't try this if you're a kid. Don't go dip in your hot water. Don't dip your hair in hot water if you're like young, I guess. I don't know what defines young, but yeah, if you've never done it before, don't start trying it now just because of this. And yeah, whatever. Okay, so hey, so like I was filming and I realized my first clip sounded like literal death. So I'm just gonna give you like a run through of how you're supposed to curl the hair. Okay, so we have our hair. The yarn in one hand is like slightly longer than the hair, and then you're just gonna take it and start wrapping downwards at like a 25-degree angle, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so now that you're done, you have a good grip of the hair and you're gonna push it up. I know it's a little confusing, but I don't know. I really don't know how to explain this. Just downward at a 25-degree angle. Then you're just gonna hold a piece of hair. You're just gonna hold that same piece. Okay, hold on, wait. So you just keep the same pieces in each hand and then you're just gonna push up. I hope this makes sense. I literally hope the video is like a little helpful. But yeah, that's just how I achieve the curls that I'm going to be dipping today. Okay. And I'm already tired. I have that much left to do. That's about like, I don't even know, like 50, 100 on my head. I can whistle.
Look at the trees.
Can't whistle. That's why I didn't join the band, because like, it's too much hair. So like here I am doing my hair. I was doing my hair and I found this. I missed a whole section. So I have wrapped every piece of hair on my head, and the water is boiling. So yeah, I'm about to just dip this in water and then I'm going to probably not go to sleep because I am tired, exhausted. I started wrapping my hair at around 8 o'clock p.m. and just got done at like 2 a.m. because this is a lot of work, bro. It's like the back is the worst part. Like I literally have to lay on the floor to do this because it's just so hard. Whoa. I have no friends. I'm gonna try this. We're gonna try this. We're going to try not to burn ourselves in any part of this. We're not gonna fill this to the top because we've had experience burning ourselves when we fill this to the top because it's stupid to fill it to the top. I'm scared. So there's my cup of boiling water. If you want proof that it's boiling, you can just listen to that boil. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna go to the easiest side first because I'm a little scared. It's hot. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. It's too hot. It's too hot. I don't feel like doing this anymore. But you got to for the look. It's not even about the look. This hair just looks super ugly without curls. To me, at least. Oh, there's something in my eye. The problem is not dipping your hair. It's taking your hair out and not burning yourself. I'm kind of scared to take my hair out. Okay. This thing is too bad. let's move a safe distance away. Okay, we're a safe distance now. Okay, see, that's it. Like literally, it's not that bad. Unless the steam travels to your head. Okay, I'm burning myself. Steam travels to your scalp. That's only the scariest part. Okay, let's finish this up because I'm tired now. Okay, so I did the side. Now it's time for the back, which is like literally the hardest part. Okay, this was stupid. Some hot water. Okay, that's it for the. That's it. I'm literally over this style now, but it's cute. That's just about it for dipping. Doesn't take too long because literally you just want to, make sure that the hair touches the hot water because it's heat activated. That's when the curls form. Is like just as soon as it touches heat. I put a towel on my pillow and sleep in this wet mess and then take it out after like 24 hours. Okay, it has not been 24 hours, but it's like 5 the next day, so it's been 12. I'm gonna take this hair out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. This lighting is just really bad, sorry. We're just gonna take out the first one just to see. And what I like to do is just push up the curl from the yarn, snip the yarn at the bottom, and voila, it comes out like that, just like that. This one looks crappy. Ugh. It looks good when it's all done, I hope. They look a mess because I don't know any other way to like separate the unraveled from the raveled, like, you know? Didn't even hit record. This looks so weird. I'm trying to be like a stylist. I'm not a stylist. That's just about it. It's really curly. I actually did it a little too high. I should have like started wrapping like here instead of like up here. But that's okay. I'm not wearing this hair for too long. If you are gonna dip your hair this close to your scalp, first off, don't use my video as a guide because no. Second off, have like somebody to spot you and blow your scalp so that you don't burn your scalp, literally. Because like the steam in itself is already something scary. Like I remember when I was a kid, I got burned because the steam hit my scalp and I thought it was hot water. And then I jumped and then hot water fell on me. So that was a great experience.